Now let's crochet the mouth part of the capybara. Take out the coffee-colored yarn. Hold the yarn on your hand in the same way. The fabric is crocheted using a chain stitch foundation. First, make a slip knot. Place the crochet hook above the working yarn. Rotate it outward in a circle. Here is a crossover point. Pinch the crossover point. Wrap the yarn again. Pull the yarn through the loop on the crochet hook. Pull the yarn end to tighten the slip knot. Then tighten the loop. A slip knot is done. The first round. First, make for chain stitches. The first. The second. The third. The fourth. 4 chain stitches are done. Next, make 2 single crochet in reverse. Here is the last chain stitch. Here is the second to last chain. Pick one of its strands to crochet. Crochet 1 single crochet. Attach a stitch marker. Crochet 1 single crochet into the next chain stitch. The single crochet are done. Crochet 3 single crochet into the last chain stitch. The first. The second. The third. Place the yarn end to the right of the crochet hook. Three single crochet are done. We have turned to the other side of the chain. The other side involves picking the remaining 2 strands of the chain stitches to crochet. Crochet a single crochet. At the bottom of this side, single crochet. Insert the hook at the same position. Place this yarn end above the crochet hook. Then crochet an increased stitch. At the bottom of this side, single crochet. Place the yarn end above the crochet hook. Finally, a slip stitch. The first round of crochet is completed. The second round starts with a chain stitch. Make 1 increase stitch. Attach a stitch marker. In the same stitch, crochet another single crochet. An increased stitch is done. The next is a single crochet. Then crochet 3 increased stitches. The first one, A second. The third. Next, a single crochet. Next, increase stitches. The first one. The second. After completing to increase stitches, remove the stitch marker. Crochet a slip stitch. A second round of crochet is completed. Next, leave a long yarn end and cut the yarn. The yarn end is used for sewing. Yarn over and pull out. Pull tight. The mouth is completed. Next, crochet the capybara's ears. The methods for crocheting these two ears are the same. Here, one of them will be used for demonstration. Take out the coffee-colored yarn and hold it on your hand. Hold the yarn on your hand in the same way. The fabric is started with a chain stitch foundation. First, make a slip knot. Place the crochet hook above the working yarn. Rotate it outward once. Here is a crossover point. Pinch the crossover point. Wrap the yarn again. Pull the yarn through the loop on the crochet hook. Pull the yarn end. Tighten the slip knot. Then tighten the loop. Now a slip knot is done. The first round starts with a chain stitch foundation. Work chain for stitches. The first. The second. The third. The fourth. For chain stitches are done. Next, insert the hook into the fourth chain stitch from the end. Crochet a double crochet. The fourth to last chain stitch is also the first one from the beginning. Let's make a double crochet. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook once. Press down on the two loops on the crochet hook with your index finger. Then insert the crochet hook through one strand of the first chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through. There are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on hook. There are still 2 loops left on the crochet hook. Yarn over once more. Pull through the 2 loops on the crochet hook. 1 double crochet is completed.
Double crochet. Yarn around hook. Insert hook into the stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn around hook. Pull through the first 2 loops on hook. There are 2 loops left on the hook now. Yarn around hook. Pull through the remaining 2 loops on hook. That's a double crochet.
Next, leave a long yarn tail and cut the yarn. Yarn over and pull through. Tighten it. One ear is now completed.